Hello students, I am Kusum, your English teacher, and today we are going to learn diary writing. So, what are the concepts in the module? Introduction, definition, purpose of diary entry, features of diary writing, points to be remembered, and one sample. We all have really amazing or really depressing moments in our lives. What is the best way to cherish the happier moments forever? When you feel really upset about something, what do you think is the best way to vent your feelings out? Sometime you may say you can talk to your friends, your loved ones, your parents, or you can jot down everything in a journal or a diary. But how you are going to do it? So let us understand first of all what is a diary entry. Writing a diary entry means pouring your feelings into a diary. It is a personal place of writing. It reflects a person's thought about another person, an incident, or a place. A diary entry is made so that an event and the emotions aroused about that event can be remembered forever. So let us see what is the purpose of writing a diary entry. It helps in lighten the burden of our heart. It helps in keeping a record of the past events. Help us to connect our experiences of everyday life. Helps in managing the stress and provides emotional stability. Helps in keeping memories alive. Provides place for the dreams and ideas to grow. Have you heard about The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank? It says that Anne Frank's diary gave us much insight about the life of an ordinary girl who had to live and grow up in the most difficult period of European history. Let us see an extract from this diary. It's utterly impossible of chaos, suffering, and death. I see the world being slowly transformed into a wilderness. I hear the approaching thunder that one day will destroy us too. I feel the suffering of millions, and yet when I look up at the sky, I somehow feel that everything will change for the better, and that peace and tranquility will return once more. In the meantime, I must hold on to my ideals. Perhaps the day will come when I will be able to realize them. Now, in the previous slide, you might have observed that the diaries are personal and so are the experiences described in them. One can write anything and everything in one's diary. So, what are the features of a diary writing? A diary entry must be made in a chronological order. It may start with the events that happened earlier in the day and the end with the events that took place later in the evening. It is a first person account, so we should use first person pronouns. I, we, us, we are, etc. Though detailed entries are made, so one must avoid the repetition. So let us understand what are the points to be remembered while writing a diary entry. For every entry, mention the day, date, time at the very beginning. A diary can be treated like a friend, so you can use Dear Diary. The opening sentence of diary entry should express your state of mind. A diary entry is generally written in the past tense. So writer's name should be written in the end on the left hand side. And word limit is around 100 words. So let us see one sample. The topic is, it was your 12th birthday and write a page in your diary expressing the day's event. So let us see how do we write down. Monday, 16th August 2020, 9:30 p.m. Dear Diary, It was special day for me, my 12th birthday. I was on the seventh heaven. Since I was quite excited, I had got up at 6 a.m. As the custom is, I went straight on As the custom is, I went straight to my grandparents and parents, touched their feet, and sought their blessings. Guess what? It was amazing. Papa and Mama hugged me, kissed on my forehead, and gave me my favorite storybooks. We went to temple after taking bath. A small party was also held in the evening. All my friends had come. It was a great fun and I got plenty of gifts too. I can't forget those lovely moments, Dipanshu. I hope you very well understood how to write a diary entry. Thank you.